Seabrook Dual Console. The Seabrook Dual Console is designed for recreational boating and family fun. Spacious seating for 7 lets you bring the whole family on board. Kick back, relax, and enjoy the water. Easy to choose, easy to love. The Seabrook Dual Console is designed for recreational boating and family fun. Built exclusively for Honda by Scout, the Seabrook Series offers all the quality and premium features you expect. Choose between the base and sport packages. Both boats offer a spacious layout for up to 7 passengers. The base model is ideal for family adventures on the water. From comfortable bow cushions to a top-notch stereo and standard swim platform, you'll be ready to get out and have fun. The Sport adds 3 key features to amp up your boating experience. A ski tow bar is perfect for water sports. The collapsable bimini keeps you in the shade and folds out of the way when you are looking for sun. A railing on the bow adds security and style. Easy to operate dashboard style helm. We've designed the controls for the Honda Seabrook Series to be as easy to operate as possible, starting with an easy to understand dashboard style helm. East. Superb control. Honda's exclusive intelligent shift and throttle, East, drive-by-wire, DBW, system with intuitive digital controls plus hydraulic steering from Baystar by Dometic combined for effortless, automotive-style driving. East ensures superb, effortless shift and throttle control and easy docking. Garmin display. Seabrook Dual Console boats come standard with a Garmin 9" sonar, GPS display with easy-to-interpret vessel display and customizable Honda Marine Interface, HMI. And more variable speed trolling, enhanced docking, and slow speed control add to ease of operation. Easy to own, easy to tow. The Honda Seabrook Series is easy to tow with a V6-powered SUV or minivan. No need to get a heavy-duty truck. Check owner's manual for towing capacity. Easy to store, designed to fit most 24-feet garages. The Seabrook Series doesn't require expensive off-site storage. Easy on gas. The Honda BF150 offers class-leading fuel efficiency, with up to 5.29 mpg at 33 miles per hour, 4,500 rpm. Which means more fun, at less cost. Features you'll love: comfortable, UV-protected, high-quality upholstered seats and cushions with Honda logo embroidery. Along with Honda-exclusive interior and hull color combinations, Garmin Fusion 25-watt RMS 50 peak stereo with 4 6-inch speakers, optional SiriusXM subscription, and Bluetooth connectivity. Ample storage available. Lumar stainless steel tilt steering wheel, 12 volts outlet and USB ports. Illuminated 2.75 Ritchie compass. Lenco Marine LED indicator. Trim tabs. Control switch. Rear swim platform with ladder. Ample cup holders, fishing rod holders, and illuminated rod storage. Ski tow bar and collapsible bimini. Top standard on sport package. LED lit interior. Scanstrut Flip Pro USB-A and C port for ultra-fast charging on all models. Ample Honda power. Exceptional performance. The Seabrook Series is perfectly matched with a dependable, powerful Honda BF150 outboard for worry-free boating. The BF150 delivers everything you want in an outboard: power, fuel-efficient, quiet performance, and Honda's legendary reliability. Power where and when you need it. Honda's exclusive VTEC technology offers a superior combination of power, torque, and fuel economy. Instant acceleration. Honda's exclusive blast system improves acceleration at low speeds. The result? Innovation and improved hole shot. Best-in-class fuel efficiency. Lean burn control increases fuel efficiency by allowing combustion to operate on a leaner air-fuel mixture. At cruising speed, this engine runs on up to 20% less fuel than others in its class. Tough corrosion resistance. Honda's exclusive 4-front corrosion protection system offers a patented double-sealed multi-layered paint process. Sacrificial anodes and stainless steel technology, along with waterproof connectors, all enhance corrosion protection. Quality in every aspect. Quality built in. Honda Seabrook Series boats are built by Scout boats exclusively for Honda. Scout's uncompromising quality and attention to detail align perfectly with Honda Marine's values and the quality and reliability you expect. Peace of mind. Warranty protection. Honda Seabrook Series boats have a 3-year limited bow-to-stern warranty plus a 10-year limited structural transferable hull warranty. True 5 warranty. The Honda BF150 is covered by Honda's industry-leading True 5 warranty, providing 5 full years of transferable, non-declining, limited warranty coverage.